Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix Mastodon app not working. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Mastodon application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Mastodon if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom of the screen, we have 5 tabs. We have the Home tab, the Search tab. We also have the tab where you can go and post your posts. We have the notifications and your profile in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix Mastodon app not working. So basically what you need to do is go to the settings of the application, of course. You can go and force the stop. So basically go to settings, app, Mastodon, force stop. That is for Android. On iOS, you can double click the home button and swipe up the Mastodon app to close it. I'll also ensure you have the latest version of the Mastodon app installed. Check for updates in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Also, you can go and for Android, go to settings, apps, Mastodon, storage, clear cache, and clear data. And on iOS, you can reinstall the app and clear the cache data like that. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue, so off your phone. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Uninstall and then reinstall the Mastodon app. If their steps don't resolve the issue, you might want to reach out to the Mastodon support for further assistance. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.